What are you doing, Pookie? Say, Miss Duchess tested positive for Lyme disease yesterday. She hasn't shown any signs or symptoms or anything. But we're gonna put her on a round of doxycycline just in case. All the other pups were fine. But just you. I don't know. I'm not worried about it. I've had other Great Danes. Yeah, she looks real lethargic, and yeah. Anyway, I've had other Great Danes with worse that have come through, so not worried at all. Here's a rare peek at Miss Brandy. How you doing? Move, you Black Angus. Hi, sweetheart. Hi, Miss Brandy. Say hi. Same down here, checking my posts. I set 2 6-inch posts to hang a gate on. One over here, and then one up over here. We're gonna move all the birds, chickens, and the waterfowl down here to the yard. We moved the new chicken coop up. Gotta clear out a little bit of stuff, but it's ready to go. Just gotta put the ramp down. This is a sweet coop too, man. I've been real happy with this thing. Don't look at the prices. You will poop your pants. But I can honestly say it is worth it. I can't say that about much, but yeah, that's a pretty nice unit. Then I'm gonna hang another gate over here, off in the yard. And then they're gonna have this whole area back here to themselves. Gonna build a pond, probably over in here. Dig a pond for the ducks. Well, I guess the geese too. All the waterfowl. So I'm kind of excited about that. We'll be able to see that from the house. But what are you doing, buddy? There's Mr. Chicken Dinner. Hey, Klaus. Chicken. Yeah. Oh, woo, woo. Yeah. You're not 1/3 coyote at all. Nope, not at all. Hi, yes. Woo. Doggies everywhere. Where's the little one? Oh, she's up there being safe. Come on, princess. Come on, come here.
Like, no, Duchess is being a crazy dog.
Yeah. Say, Princess weighed 52 pounds, and they claimed Duchess was only 109. I don't believe that. She's strong for 109 pounds. But they're all doing good. Say, yo. Pretty girl. Yeah. Yeah, she's a pretty girl. Hi. Come here. And chase squirrels. Chase squirrels. Her legs are so long. Princess. Come here, puppers. Come here.
Let's go.
She's like, no way, I don't want to get run over. She's smart.